Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, and today there is CPI around 2:30. So that can change the way we see the market. Plus, we continuing with our special $27 lifetime signals. So you can see that lifetime signal is actually $99, but there you will actually get $27 for lifetime. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. So if you are new to the channel, please guys support the channel by subscribing. You're not actually losing anything. So now let's see what's really happening on the market. So on the economic side, yes, we have CPI, and tomorrow is going to be PPI. So we have some very great news along the way. So as you can see, we are on a dollar index. Dollar index. What's happening? It seems to be reversing aggressively. We can see that we had a very proper downtrend structure, but now it seems to be reversing to the upside. So it means that the dollar is getting stronger again. And don't be fooled by this, because anything can happen. Anything can happen, especially on a CPI day. I thought maybe FOMC meeting was going to do something, but it's not really that much, because mostly on those meeting minutes, it's what happened previously. The minutes actually they cover what they before they take the decision, why did they, or let's say, how did they reach that conclusion. So they just actually showing us that. So which means it's not really a very important thing that can move the market immediately. So, but CPI and PPI, which 2:30 tomorrow and 2:30 today, that might change the way we see the market. So it's up to the market maybe to push the market to go higher or maybe to reverse. But at the moment, guys, you can see that USD is quite stronger. So which means it's bullish, because we also had a smaller downtrend, which the market did not really respect that much. You can see that the market did go down, then we see a breakout here. So yes, we can conclude and say the market is still trying to go higher, or we can say we are moving towards that uptrend, but we still have this resistance area where the market actually broke out. It's possible that the market can reach this area and reverse. So which means even if we see a breakout here, we have to be extra careful, because to me, yes, we broke out here, but we are still under that previous breakout. So anything can happen between that. But another thing that we can consider is waiting for the market to give us proper structures, you see. Then we can say, okay, now we are going up, if that is going to happen. But at the moment, we don't really have much of rejections there that we can use as our structures that can help us to decide going further. So yeah, let's go on 4 hours time frame. Let's see. I think here's just the same thing. Let's go on GBP USD. On GBP USD, you can easily see that, yeah, we are still on that nice uptrend structure, but the market is still struggling to reverse around this area. You can see that the market is still struggling around the support area. Maybe the market will be trying to respect this zone. We expect the market to respect that. We have a nice swing trade around this level, so which means we expect the market to continue going up. You can see that we are on that nice uptrend, and we just reached that support area. You can see there. So I'm expecting to see a nice push. Yes, it's possible that the market sometimes can even break that. If the dollar is going to be quite stronger, I don't think it will be stopped. If it's going to be stronger, yes, it's possible for the market to reach this level before going higher again. But at the end of the day, yes, this will be a continuation of that uptrend. But at the moment, since we have a structure there, I'm expecting maybe a reversal, because we've been selling. We've been selling for a few days now. So I think maybe CPI, it will be weak or something. And I saw that it will be cooler If maybe the estimates are correct, then it means we will see a nice reversal. But at the moment, we'll just have to wait. We don't really have to guess everything. But yeah, if you just want to risk it there, I think I'm also in. I'm expecting to see a nice proper reversal. So on gold, what's really happening on gold? You can see that on a daily time frame, we are on this nice aggressive uptrend structure. The market is still actually trying to push higher. Yes, we had a nice reversal there, which I think maybe the market might reverse where we are. It's possible we might get that reversal. I think 4 hours time frame, it will be much clearer. If we go on 4 hours time frame, you can see that yes, this is just a continuation of that uptrend. But after we had this aggressive reversal, let's take this here to this point, you can see that we have an area that the market can actually try to come and respect. But at the moment, we can see that the market created something here as a support area. If I zoom, you will see that if we also check it closer, the market seems to be creating a smaller structure around this area, a sort of a wedge. But we can say at the end of the day, we can see the market is just consolidating around this level. So maybe the market will end up pushing higher. And since we have CPI, things might be aggressive. But remember, with gold, tensions in the Middle East also, that might also push it to go crazy. But what I like here is we are very closer to several structures that we can call support areas. So which means there is a chance for the market to bounce back around these levels. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So yeah, I'm still bullish. I like the fact that the market did sell, but even this area, you can see the market broke out of that structure as it was consolidating there. But I think if we don't break this support area, we might end up continuing on the upside. And it's going to be interesting during CPI. We'll see what will happen. So yeah, we did smash US30, which is very, it was like seriously quick. So this is what we have. You can see that the market is still actually on this nice uptrend structure. We had this, we had this support area. We also have another one there. Do you see that? So the market has been showing us that we're going up, but I'm still very careful because if you check nicely, we are still on this nice resistant area there, which the market can respect, and we might see that this reversal. But I think just because we've drawn that support, once the market breaks out of that support, I think we can say it's time for us to look for an aggressive sell. So this is what we have at the moment. So you can see, let me just double these lines. Let's say we have something like that. Let's change the color. So we have something like this. So on top here, we know that we have this resistance structure from a very bigger time frame. So once the market breaks this support area, we will know that it's time for the market to look for that, or it's time for us to look for that sell. So yeah, but just because we know what we're doing, we did actually smash the market because it was consolidating. So which means the market was just playing around the same levels. So which means around these areas of support, once the market bounces back, that can be a very quick, smaller opportunity. But sometimes it might be tricky because it might hold you if you don't get on the right time. So yeah. But at the moment, you can see that the market seems to be breaking out. I think we're out. Let's take that one out there. So let's just cover that. So if the market breaks out of that structure, you can see that previously we had a nice resistance around this level. So it seems like the market is trying to break out. But when we check, this is a previous area that we had before. So we don't really want to be fooled. We can say the best thing that we can do, let's try to draw that resistance on top. So from there, whatever that happens there, we are going to be safe. If maybe the market reverses, we might think about buying if it reverses, or maybe a nice breakout. But once it breaks out there, don't just jump in there because it might be quite risky. We have to just play around nice around that level before we jump in, because it's very high, guys. You can see the market is overbought, and once you buy there, the market might reverse aggressively against you, and you're not gonna like that. So yeah, guys, as I repeat, we have that $27 lifetime VIP signals. You can see that you're actually saving a lot, because our lifetime signal is $99, but you can get that for $27. It's limited. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. Scan that QR code, and also, or maybe you can just WhatsApp me. But on the description, I will make sure that I leave my WhatsApp link. Or yeah, I think there is my WhatsApp link there. Check it there. You will find it. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's happening on Nasdaq? You can see that the market slowly is trying to go up. So here we were just scalping, guys. It's not like an order where maybe we were just trying to hold quite long, or we're just scalping that. I told my people to scalp that. Obviously, they did smash. So we can easily see that the market is now creating a very proper structure. We expect the market to do what? Continue with this nice uptrend structure. We can see that. So, but this area also, it might be a threat for now. So we have to be extra careful. We have to wait and see if maybe we get any proper reversal or something. So I have sinuses, guys. So that's what we actually have at the moment. But since we have CPI later on, I'm expecting CPI to be a little bit weaker. Anything can still happen. But since we saw NFP going stronger and other pairs, and other events, I'm starting to think twice. It's possible that CPI might also be stronger. And if it's going to be stronger, we might start to see the market reversing before we see another push. So we have to be extra careful. So at the moment, I'm just going to stay out of the market because of CPI. So, but I'm still bullish. I'm still very bullish on Nasdaq. US oil, I told my people to scalp this. I hope they did smash. So I thought maybe the market was going to reach this level, but it seems like still far. But since they were scalping that, it's not really a bigger of a problem. We saw the market actually reversing. You can see we already had a breakout, reversing, touching our previous resistant area and reversing again. So don't hold this longer because anything can happen now. Tensions are like going all over the place. So oil prices might go up anytime soon, or maybe if the threat is disappearing, we might see the oil prices going down again. And OPEC countries, they also have this secret meeting and stuff. So which means you might see maybe prices going up. If they decide to cut the production, obviously the prices might start to go higher. If they pump more, obviously we will see prices going down. So once you trade oil, you have to follow OPEC, all those stuff that makes oil to move around, and especially geopolitics in the Middle East. I hope you know that. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. I will see you on the next one, but don't forget to join our team for only $27 lifetime VIP signals. I hope you can see that lifetime signal is $99, so you're saving a lot there. So thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye.